My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Hyundai i10. This vehicle has done just over 78,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. To the right, we have cruise control. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, which includes Apple and Android CarPlay, and our button settings. On our right, we have setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.